Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of DeepSeek and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.